How to turn on add to story on an Instagram post. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like your post to be added on story or get the button for other users, here is what should be done. First and foremost, make sure you have updated your Instagram to the latest version. For this, you can head over to Play Store or App Store. After that, tap on or search for Instagram in the search bar and tap on update button if it's available. Once updated, head over to Instagram and then tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right. Then after, you can either go to your post that you want add to story or tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then after, scroll down and you will find the option of share or sharing. Tap on it and here you will find the turn on option for stories and add to story. Toggle on each of the option and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.